All right, today we're going to bring a file cabinet, and they give you everything you need, including the tool, a Phillips. Everything's labeled. If you guys can see, we're going to take a look at one of them. They're all labeled. They have alphabetized, and we're going to set it up today. It came well secure in a box, very heavy. It was over 100 pounds, so it's going to take 2 people to set up. It's coming along. Phase 1, 3 more to go. All right, it's coming along. Check it out, guys. Almost done. The hardest part was probably putting the lock, not the actual lock, but the actual mechanism to hold the actual knob. And I had to test it out a couple times until I figured it out. So
it has a lock right here.
Oh, okay.
So when you line both of them up, then it'll be okay.
Oh, okay, okay. Los avienta para
Yeah, los
enfrente.
avienta los dos.
Para enfrente.
Yeah.
Sort of front.
Right now it's okay. Okay, man.
Señor.
Yeah.
Amén.
Ahí está.
Amén.
as you can see, we have the actual file cabinet. We use it for our tools, mainly for our tools here to secure them. If you can see, it doesn't get out of shape. It's very elegant, easy, smooth. And when you open it up, both doors open up. You got plenty of room for all your tools. You could even add additional rack space if you want. It's up to you if you want to divide the spaces in here. So you got plenty of room for what you want to set up in here. On top of that, you have to open one drawer at a time. You can put any kind of files in here if you want. It's an option. Or close it up, open the next one. You could add tools in here too. So you don't only have one, but you have 2 secure areas. Now, there's 2 separate keys for the top and the bottom. So just to be aware, it's not the same key. They're both separate keys. So don't lock one key under the other one, all right? So just be assured that that's the only thing you should be worrying about, separating the keys.